the importance of taking a COVID-19 test, even as they vaccinate. News Channel 6's Ashley Jones spoke with leaders from a local organization about its community tour that brings health and wellness to underserved communities. Ashley?
Yes, Renetta, the 100 Black Men of Augusta is restarting its COVID-19 community tour. Today they were in North Augusta offering free COVID-19 tests. One member says they're looking to educate the community on the importance of getting tested even after you receive your COVID-19 vaccine.
Providing awareness for it because a lot of people just don't know.
Dr. Justin Moore is the leader of the Health and Wellness Division for the 100 Black Men of Augusta. He says the organization is bringing healthcare access for communities that may go overlooked.
In terms of access and having opportunity. So again, when we first started this, one of the issues that the 100 recognized is that there weren't a lot of free testing areas that were in the community. You could go to AU and go through the drive-through, but then contingent upon what your insurance status was, what your employment status was, you may or may not have the ability to get tested for free.
But it doesn't stop there. The 100 Black Men of Augusta are also educating people in underserved communities about COVID-19 health and wellness. That includes getting the vaccine.
We have goodie bags. We have cards that basically show you where you can get registered to get a vaccine. You can go to Walgreens, you can go to a Kroger, you can go to CVS, you can go to Publix, you can go to certain churches and actually get it, and we have that information.
Dr. Moore says there's been a hesitancy among younger African Americans to get the COVID-19 vaccine.
So the ones who are more willing to get the vaccine, their median age is 60 years old. Those who are neutral, the median age is 46 years old. And then those who are most hesitant, the median age is 30 years old. So you're seeing this trend. Age is definitely a factor, and I think it's perceived risk. Those who are younger, their social network is probably more robust with people who haven't had severe illness from COVID-19, haven't seen someone die, get really sick from it, so therefore they don't necessarily see the importance as much as people who are older.
But they are making strides to reach those younger demographics. The organization's leaders and their partners also want people to continue getting tested even after receiving that vaccine.
The next step is to be a vaccination site so that people can come here and get vaccinated. And again, just because you've received the vaccine already, we still encourage people to still get tested.